It didn't start with a dream job. It started with a simple question: what really matters to me? At first, I followed the usual path. I looked for jobs that paid well, had status, or matched what others expected of me. But over time, I realized I wasn't happy. Something felt off. That's when I took a step back. I began to think about what I truly value. Not just money, not just a title, but values like creativity, honesty, freedom, and helping others. I wrote them down. I asked myself, what kind of work would allow me to live these values every day? That changed everything. Instead of chasing jobs, I started creating my own path. I looked for roles where I could express myself. I chose projects that felt meaningful. I said no to things that didn't align with who I am. It wasn't always easy. Some people didn't understand. I had to take risks. I made mistakes. But every step brought me closer to a career that felt right. I learned to trust my gut, to listen to what excites me, to build a life, not just a job. Over time, things started to grow. Opportunities came that matched my values. People noticed the passion behind my work. I didn't need to fake it. I believed in what I was doing, and that made all the difference. Building a career around your values doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of reflection, courage, and choice, but it's worth it. Because at the end of the day, success isn't just about what you do. It's about why you do it.